In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend video length in Canva. We'll walk through this inside the Canva editor, step by step, so you can easily follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know how to set up a blank video canvas, adjust its duration, and bring in your own video so it fits the timing you want. First, open Canva and head to the main dashboard where you usually create your designs. Look for the option to create a new design and make sure you're choosing a video format, such as a standard video size or whatever format you need. Instead of picking a pre-made template, click the plus button and choose a completely blank design. Starting with a blank canvas gives you full control over how long the video will be and what you place on each scene. Once your blank video design opens, you'll see the timeline along the bottom of the screen. This is where Canva shows the length of your video. To extend the video duration, hover over the end of the timeline until you see the edge you can drag. Click and drag it to the right to make the video longer. As you drag, keep an eye on the time indicator. This shows you exactly how many seconds or minutes your video will run. Adjust it to the length you need for your project, whether it's a short clip or something longer. Next, it's time to bring in your actual video file. On the left sidebar of Canva, find the Uploads tab. Click on Uploads, then click the option to upload a file from your computer, or simply drag and drop your video file directly into this Uploads area. Canva will process the file for a moment, and once it's ready, you'll see a thumbnail of your video in the Uploads panel. Click on your uploaded video to add it to the blank canvas. It will appear on the main preview area and also show up as a clip in your timeline. If needed, resize the video within the canvas so it fills the frame the way you want. Now, in the timeline, look for the clip that represents your video. Click on it to highlight or select it. When it's highlighted, you can see its handles and options clearly. If you see any other highlighted elements, click again to make sure the correct video clip is selected. With the video highlighted, you can trim, reposition, or adjust it within the overall length you set earlier. Finally, make sure both the video clip and the extended timeline are properly highlighted and aligned. This ensures your extended video length matches the content you've placed. Once everything looks good in the preview, you're ready to play it back and then download or export your extended video from Canva.